Hi guys, I'm Sarika and welcome to Your Knowledge Buddy. Today I'm interviewing one of the students, Divya, who got PSW, which is also known as graduate visa, in just one day. And today I've invited her so that she can share her tips with you guys. As I had been getting lots of questions from the students that there's so much of delay in PSW visa. So let me welcome Divya now. Hi Divya, welcome to Your Knowledge Buddy.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So Divya, I understand you got your
Mhm.
PSW visa in one day. So there are a lot of students who
Yeah.
had been writing to me who had not been getting
Mhm.
the visa, and there's a waiting time. They don't get visa for the next 2 or 3 weeks. So can you just
Mhm.
explain the process from the start till the end, which you had applied for yourself?
Exactly, like my visa was ending on September 28th because I came here 2 years ago, 2019. So exactly September 28th, my visa was ending. I thought like let me apply for visa in the end of September so that I can have 2 years exactly from the date I apply. So I got college confirmation around July and August starting. So they asked me like you can apply anytime from now on. Like we have uh, said UKVI that you are eligible for PSW. So that's where I was informed like I can apply for PSW like afterwards anytime. So I applied like 2 weeks back. That was on Wednesday. I applied Wednesday and I got a mail the very next day that your visa is confirmed. But it went in junk folder or important mail folder. I was not sure, but I directly received a mail saying your BRP has been dispatched from so and so postal things.
Okay, so how did you apply?
Hmm.
Can you just explain the process? Because there are a lot of students who are still not sure, and I know there are a few people who
Hmm.
are even going to agents. So, did you apply by yourself or did you go through an agent?
No, it was all by myself. I don't think you need an agent to do this one. Usually, people who are scared, like what's gonna happen, like it's a crucial time, right? Like your visa is gonna expire in 1 month, and what if something goes wrong and you don't get your visa? So that's where like people try to get uh, the visa procedures done through an agent. I don't think like that's really necessary. That's absolutely like you can just do it for yourself. You don't need to go to an agent or something. Is so simple, and you just need to follow one link and that will lead you to complete the whole procedure.
Mm-hmm. So, is that the link which is provided on the UK Home Office website where
Yeah,
you
yeah,
go
yeah.
and then?
Yeah, you don't need to go to any other website. You just need to follow, you just need to government.uk website and just type in graduate route visa application form, and it just shows up a link, and that's the link where you have to follow and just do your procedures through.
Okay, so did your university help you with anything? Like, did they have to provide an offer letter, or did they have to provide any kind of letter?
uh, University didn't help me anywhere to do all this one, but they helped me prove my eligibility to the UKVI so that when they informed them, that's when I could apply for PSW.
Okay, so the process is once you complete your degree, your university will inform the Home Office, and when you
Yeah.
apply, they will already
Hmm.
have your record in their database, right? And that's why when you
Exactly.
apply, okay,
Hmm.
and then you can progress with the
Exactly.
application.
Yeah. If my uni doesn't inform, like the university doesn't know that I have completed my degree in that particular college course and also over, and then if they have told that I've done everything, like literally have to achieve so and so credits. So if they have told me that all is been achieved so far by that particular students,
Yeah.
you wouldn't have any much problem to do your further procedure. And one more thing, if the uni doesn't specify that you can go with your process, is gonna and you apply for your PSW and it will be delayed. That's one reason where students are visa
Okay.
are getting delayed,
Mm-hmm.
because when the uni has not informed them, that means they've still not done the process from the college end.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So it's going to delay with the home office.
Okay. Divya, did you say that your university also informed you that they have already informed the Home Office? Did you get any kind
Yeah,
of, yeah, so you get
yeah,
an
yeah,
email.
they did.
do you get that
official email from my university saying that your eligibility has been
Okay.
passed on to UKVI, and you can start your graduate route visa
Okay.
procedures and all.
I think,
Hmm.
thank you very much. I think that is very important point. So all the students who are
Hmm.
applying for your PSW or graduate route visa, please make sure you get that email from your university. If you haven't got it, there will be delay because they have not started the
Yeah,
process from their side. So you will not get maybe your visa. Yeah.
exactly.
Okay. So once you submit your application online, so what
Hmm.
were the mandatory documents that you had to submit?
One thing is the passport, that's like mandatory passport, and the BRP. These two are the main things to do your procedures. You just have to have it in your hand while you're completing it.
Okay. So did you also have to provide your NI number?
Yeah, you need to.
Yeah. And because I remember I went through the process. I've also given a demo to all the students before. What I'm going to do, I'm going to provide a link to that video because maybe students have not watched it. And while filling
Huh?
the form, if I remember, they did ask for NI number as well. So
Yeah,
students, if you
yeah,
have
they
it,
do.
yeah, I don't
Hmm.
remember whether it was a mandatory field or not, but if you have it, I will really encourage you to provide your NI number.
Yeah, of course, like many students who have come here would be working for a part time, so obviously they'll have a NI number, so they would ask it. And there are two, three more steps like. Apart from this NI number, if you have visited some other country other than uh, you like Ireland or Scotland from UK for a long time, for more than 30 days, you need to record that in your visa procedures, like literally the complete story, like what happened and what was need to for you to go to another country and live for, like, even if you're going back, like my home country is India, so I went India twice, so I had to do it like in two sections, like what was the first reason, second reason. I think that would even count for them, like
Yeah.
uh, unnecessarily leaving country for no reason, like that would be a question in them, like you need to write the proper answer, because if you're going in your term time, they would obviously ask you, did you ask your permission from your lecturer, from your university, and all those things. And they literally asked me like how long I stayed and where did I come back once I did when I came back to India and all. That was one extra step for me because I had visited India twice
Okay.
in the 2 years.
Yeah.
And one more step is the NHS thing. And if you have, used any services from NHS here, you need to, register those details as well. Like for anything, it might be not only for any emergency surgery or something. Even if you're visited for like 1 or 2 days, like you need
Uh-huh.
to put up. That's it.
Okay. Oh, okay. I
So
wasn't
that's
aware
one
of
step.
that.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's one step, and that would take you, like if you're visiting NHS, like not for taking vaccination or something,
Mm-hmm.
like if you have like some problem within yourself, like your health issues, for that one you need to, that's one extra step if you're, quite
Okay.
a few times you've been to NHS.
Okay. And so while applying online, do you also upload all your documents through the website?
One thing is when you're applying, you need to have your laptop and your phone as well, both at a time. You just can't do alone with the laptop, or you can't do just with the phone, because when you start with your laptop first, after 2 3 steps, it will ask you to download one app in your phone. That's UK Immigration ID Check. That app you need to download it on your phone, and from that one you need to scan your BRP. You know the small chip inside the BRP. I
Mm-hmm.
think that needs to be scanned or something, because you have to keep the BRP right, behind the phone to scan that one. So that's one thing needed, because you can't do it in your laptop, right? Like you
Mm-hmm.
need to have a camera and the
Mm-hmm.
thing. So you have to do it in your phone. So that's main thing.
Okay. So
So
everything is
if that
digital.
ID, if yeah, if that ID check is not done, your process won't go further.
Uh-huh. So say you have
Hmm.
your mobile phone, you have your laptop, you do it. So all the process is online. It's completely digital,
Yeah.
right? You don't need to take a
Yes.
printout, scan, or do
Nah.
anything,
Nah. Nah.
nothing,
Nah.
right? I think
Nah.
digital.
Nah. Nah.
It's a big step from
It's
the
all
UK
in your
government,
phone.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Because sometimes you need to take a photocopy of
Yeah.
it, fill it, and then upload it. That's all not necessary for this
Yeah.
time.
Okay. So Divya, so your visa, I think you got for 2 years, PSW
Mm-hmm.
graduate visa. So how much did you pay for your visa?
Like if you want to know about UK, like if you're up already in the UK, you'll be knowing about IHS charges, immigrant like health charges and all.
Mm-hmm.
So for that one is £624 a year,
Mm-hmm.
and it's for 2 years, so it's gonna be like double the amount. And apart from that one, you need to pay 700 for your only visa. Just for
Mm-hmm.
visa, you need to pay 700 plus 624 plus 624 for your IHS.
Yeah.
I mean,
So
the health services you
yeah, so
used
roughly
here.
2100 to 2200 you had to pay for 2 years, right?
Uh, yeah, £2,000. Yeah, nearly £2,000.
Yeah, okay. So for
Mhm.
all the students, make sure you have that much money in your account. If you don't
Yeah.
have, you will have to arrange it if you're applying for PSW. And you don't need to
Mhm.
submit your any bank statement, your to show any money in your account, right? You don't need to do all that.
No, 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 no. I was thinking like you need to submit
Yeah,
your bank statements like
yeah,
previous 1 month or 2 months, but that's absolutely not needed. You just need to have that particular amount in your phone
exactly.
and in your bank account,
Yeah.
so that you can, and especially if you use both phone and website, it will be easy, and like you can just make the payment in your phone. That will be way more quicker than
Uh-huh.
doing all these. It's
Okay.
easier. Like I was like, whatever I could do on the phone, I did it on my phone, and it's
Yeah.
easier just to do it and
Yeah.
than do it doing on the laptop and all.
Okay, awesome. So I believe you have answered a lot of questions which a lot of students are
Mm-hmm,
asking me. So I think people are compared
mm-hmm,
with skill visa. They're looking, oh, do I need a job
mm-hmm.
offer? Do I need to show any money in my account? Do I need
Nah,
to physically submit any documents? So I believe
nah,
Divya's
nah.
interview will help all
Mm-hmm.
the viewers or the students who are applying for
Yeah.
PSW visa now. And
Mm-hmm.
also you can apply yourself. You don't need a agent, and the
You
process is
know.
very simple. Make sure you have Wi-Fi,
Mm-hmm.
laptop, and you have your phone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Phone
Okay. So
exactly.
Divya, any last minute tip or anything do you want to say before we wrap this video?
I would like to say, like, just don't take this 2 years visa just for granted. Like, make maximum utilization from the visa which we have got. Like, not everybody is going to get the 2 years visa, and not every year students would be getting this. Like, it started this year. I don't know, like, how quick it's going to end. Like, maybe in for the next 2 or 3 years, this might be there. Then for the next students who are coming, they would have only 6 months after their studies. So we have got luckily got 2 years. So
Yeah.
let's not take it granted and just do like just some people are there like, let me apply for PSW, let me fly back to my country and just come back like if I have some opportunities. So
Yeah.
just don't do that. Like now September, like you have a lot of openings in every company,
Yeah.
so try to apply.
Yeah.
Just try to make use of your, even though like some company who are not ready to sponsor, if you have 2 years visa, they'll be ready to give you a job. That's one thing, and you can like easily get because you have still 2 years of visa,
Mm-hmm.
and that's way more convenient for all the the company heads to give you a job because you have 2 years of visa. So make the maximum utilization from the 2 years of visa
Yeah.
that you have got in the UK,
Yeah.
and try to get into a job. And all the best for everybody who wants to apply for the PSW and stay in this country and
Yeah.
work for this country and work
Thank
for yourself and to make you happy.
Thank you, Divya. I cannot agree more to whatever you have added. Again, students
Hmm.
shouldn't be taking this 2 years for granted. Definitely make sure
Hmm.
you work with those companies who are licensed sponsors so that if you happen to impress
Hmm.
them or you happen to network with them, they can give you visa sponsorship either end of your PSW or even prior to that. If you manage to get a
Yeah.
visa sponsorship, even now, just go for it.
Hmm.
You shouldn't be waiting for your PSW visa to end. You can start now so that your
Yeah.
skilled visa journey can start now because the clock will start ticking
Hmm.
from your skilled visa day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. Thank you very much, Vidya. Thank you. And I'll see
Thank you
you
so
soon.
much.
Thank you,
Have a good
Divya.
day.
I hope all the students who are watching this video, you will find this useful. If you got any more questions related to graduate visa, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video till the end, and I'll see you soon with my next video. Till then, keep learning.